Good morning, students of standard 10th. Let's start the chapter 4, agriculture. But I would like to start this chapter with one marvelous sentence. Our India is great. हमारा भारत महान. Let's see the today's point, major crops. Students, as you know that various types of crops are grown in India, such as rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, horticulture, rubber, fiber crops, and etc. Let's move to part 4, topic major crops of India. Today you will learn about the 4 major crops of India: rice, wheat, millets, and maize. Rice, as you know, it is the staple food crops of the majority of the people in India. It is a kharif crops which requires high temperature above 25 degree Celsius, high humidity with annual rainfall about 100 cm. It is grown in the plains of northeastern India, coastal areas, and the deltaic regions. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall, such as Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh and part of Rajasthan. Now I would like to show you some figures related to rice cultivation. Students, it is a figure of rice cultivation. Next figure is rice is ready to be harvested in the field, and it is the map of India. Which area belong to major areas, which belong to minor area. So this is the information of rice. Let's start another major crops, wheat. This is the second most important cereal crops after rice. It is the main food crop in the north and northwestern part of country. This rabi crops, means wheat is a rabi crop, requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 25 centimeter of annual rainfall. Two important wheat growing zones in India are the Ganga Satluj plains in the north and black soil region in the Deccan India. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and part of Madhya Pradesh. And now wheat related map is here. It is figure of wheat cultivation, map of India, map of India related to major and minor wheat cultivation areas. Students, next move is the millets. Under the millet crops are jawar, bajra, and ragi are the important millet grown in India. Millet crops are known as coarse grains with very high nutritional values. Jawar is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist area which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are the most important state. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil states. States are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Haryana. Here is the figure of Bajra cultivation. As you know, Bajra grows well on sandy soil, shallow black soil state, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi is the crop of dry regions and grows well on red, black, sandy and loamy soil. Major states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. And last, maize. The major crops of India, maize. It is a kharif crop which is used both as food as fodder. Very important. It is used both as food and fodder. It requires temperature between 21 degree Celsius to 27 degree Celsius. Grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season. It is kharif crops, but in Bihar it is also grown in Rabi season. Use of modern inputs such as high yield variety seeds, fertilizers and irrigations have contributed to increasing product of maize. Major maize producing states of India are the Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. I want to show you the maize cultivation, a figure of maize cultivation. This is a figure of maize cultivation. So students, today's topic, the major crops, you have learnt about the rice, wheat, millets, maize. This chapter is also related to the very important chapter, to the map. Map question can be asked. And chapter is, today's point is completed. Thank you.